I have been having such a great time with the Kinetic Building System. The company gave it to me to try out. As someone who loves a creative challenge, I really enjoy exploring all the cool shapes and designs this set offers. The three-dimensional cubes with built-in hinges are so unique, it's easy to transform one structure into something completely different without needing extra pieces. From small kinetic designers to large, stable superstructures, this set sparks my imagination in many ways I didn't expect. What makes Tech T stand out is its thoughtful design. This set includes 44 plates, 20 hinges, and a keystone cube, which is generous for locking in a design when you're ready to admire your work. I've already built several moving designs, and each one feels like a new adventure. Plus, knowing it's made from recyclable ABS plastic makes it even better. I think it's great for kids or adults, making it a perfect activity for family time or solo building sessions. The brain boosting focus challenges your brain while keeping the process fun and engaging. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for an excellent gift for someone special, I highly recommend it.